Sister J. Caribbean cuisine. Best foods, best foods. Sister J. Caribbean cuisine. We're from that place where cook the best, best place for his recipe of the you, to you. Sister J, that place will be full of mix. Our spices them mix. And we're the definition of cook food. The best. Sister J, Sister J food are the best. It give a fever. Make little pitney get up from round the fever. That the early from word cause they want him dinner. Sister J food are the best, just believe. Sister J we no mean for be rude. But from your post the recipe, it don't forget views. I could have single Lara in a crew. Everybody knows Sister J have the best food. That place where we cook the best. You know the rest. Next place we post up on the you do. Check for the recipe them. Place to be full of mix. Our spices them mix. And we're the definition of cook food. The best, best. Sister J. Caribbean cuisine, I don't know how the best food is in a real life, man. I tell you. So you want the best recipes, Sister J, right channel you're up on right now. So check it out now for all of the best recipes. Sister J, oh good gosh, man, I need some of that food right now. Talk truth. Sister J, the option is to represent. Chanting, yeah. Sister J, cuisine. Caribbean cuisine.